Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your MainVest account. Follow these steps to enable it effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the MainVest website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile menu or under a section labeled Settings or Secured. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In account settings, look for an option related to security or two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as 2FA, two-step verification, or similar. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the setup instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may involve scanning a QR code with your authentication app or entering your phone number for SMS codes. Make sure to save any backup codes provided. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your MainVest account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.